Hi, it's Tom here from Roywood Transits. This is a quick walk around video of one of our latest vehicles in stock. So here we have a Ford Ranger Wildtrak series 4x4 double cab fitted with the 2 litre 213 PS bi-turbo diesel engine connected to the 10-speed automatic gearbox. Excellent condition inside and out and very well spec'd as well, so power roller shutter, factory nav, etc. Again, I'll show you more in just a second. Registered late August 2021 and sits on a 21 plate. So this vehicle comes with full Ford manufacturer's warranty for 3 years or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first, subject to regular maintenance. Massive towing potential, so a 6-ton gross train mass. Seats 5 very comfortably. Reverse camera, parking sensors front and rear. Power roller shutter, so one touch. Massive 18-inch alloy wheels. You get bi-xenon headlights. Heated windscreen. Heating, power folded door mirrors. Sorry, not heated, just power folding door mirrors. In the second row, you've got the 3 seats, partial leather trim with Wildtrak logoed carpet and headrests, so electric windows, Isofix on the outer 2 seats with a fold down table in the middle, and then round the back you can see the rear parking sensors, the reverse camera just underneath the Ford badge, and then the easy tailgate. And here's the power roller shutter button, just push that and it retracts. Push again and it goes back the other way. With another switch also located in the cab. So you have the easy clean floor with various tie downs, and the tailgate can also be locked separately. Right, now into the cab. So again, just like the rest of the vehicle, excellent condition. You've got fully electric adjustable driver's seat, Wildtrak logos, leather trim, and the adjustable leather trim steering wheel, the 4 electric windows, the automatic bi-xenon headlights for daytime running, power folding mirrors. Over here you have the cruise control, speed limiter, automatic rain sensing wipers, voice activation for when your phone's connected through Bluetooth, and up here you can see the symbol for the lane keeping alert, so there's a few Ford assists fitted. So we're just confirming the mileage, and here you can see you've got lane keeping alert, pre-collision assist with active braking, traffic sign recognition and tyre pressure monitoring system. Down here is your gear selector, so you do have a sport mode down the bottom. You've got the gear ratios, so 2 high, 4 low. And then traction control, downhill descent assist. You've got your auto stop start, and up here is the Ford Power Start button, so keyless start. Then you've got automatic climate control. You've got heated windscreen, you've got the 2 heated seats. And up here is the main entertainment system, so factory nav fitted. So great blend of touchscreen, physical buttons down here. And you then connect your phone through here, access Apple or Android CarPlay. This also displays the rear camera. So in conclusion and for sale today, here we have a Ford Ranger. This is a Wildtrak series double cab 4x4 fitted with the 2 litre bi-turbo 213 PS engine, 10-speed automatic gearbox, massive 6-ton gross train mass, rear camera, factory navigation, very well spec'd inside and out. Lovely low mileage at just 10,103. If you're interested or would like to organise a viewing, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you.